Stuck on a tough math problem or trying to check your homework? Meet your ultimate study helper, the ScholarlyHelp AI Math Solver, designed to break down any problem from algebra to physics. Need a fast triangle calculation? Jump into our Pythagorean tab, type in your side lengths, and get your answers right away and copy with just a click. For bigger challenges, switch right over to our STEM tab. Pick your subject and type your problem using the formula keyboard. Hit Solve to instantly uncover the step-by-step methods from basic to advanced, core concepts, and common mistakes to avoid. Want to skip typing? Upload your notes, even handwritten ones, and get the answer quickly. Simple as that. Sign up for the free Scholarly Help dashboard to access all the tools for free, and head over to conquer every single one of your STEM classes today.